In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Laravel and create our first Laravel project. We will use this project as the basis for introducing new concepts throughout the remainder of our tutorial. And to keep things interesting, we will develop some sample projects and learn Laravel's advanced techniques through those projects. Laravel is a PHP-based framework that you will typically use in conjunction with a database. We're going to use MySQL in this tutorial. So before you can begin building a Laravel web application, you will need to first install PHP and separate database. In our case, it's MySQL. If you are already developing PHP-driven websites and are running PHP, then installing Laravel is easy. If this is your first experience with PHP, then please take some time to install a PHP development environment. Anyway, it's out of the scope of our tutorial. However, there are plenty online resources available. If you have problems finding a tutorial suitable to your needs, please comment it in the comment section. I'll help you find one. Alternatively, if you would rather go without installing PHP development environment, we have a fantastic alternative called Homestead. However, I used XAMPP as PHP development environment. The advantage of using XAMPP is we can install PHP server and MySQL server in a single package. You can download XAMPP from apachefriends.org/download.html. Laravel utilizes Composer to manage its dependencies. So before using Laravel, make sure you have Composer installed on your machine. You can download Composer from getcomposer.org/downloads. And for editor, I used Sublime Text. However, you may use your favorite editor, or you may download Sublime Text editor from sublimetext.com. So if you have a computer with PHP development environment and Composer installed, it is time to create a new Laravel project. There are a couple of different ways in which you can do this, but one of the easiest involves installing the Laravel installer using Composer. To install Laravel installer, open your command prompt window. For Mac and Linux users, it is terminal. The code to install Laravel installer is composer space global space recur space Laravel /installer. Then press enter key. It will install Laravel installer on your machine. Once installed, the Laravel new command will create a fresh Laravel installation in the directory you specify. For instance, Laravel new friend list command will create a directory named friend list containing a fresh Laravel installation. But before that, let's go through what we are going to develop. This is a very simple Laravel web application We're gonna develop it to learn how to create, read, update and delete records using Laravel framework. We will not use any advanced techniques in this application. And it is responsive. I mean, it's mobile friendly. Yes, we're gonna develop it using Bootstrap. You can create a record using this form or this form, and you can view a record by using this view button, and you can edit a record by clicking on edit button. And you can delete a record using this delete button. So this is the first Laravel app we're gonna develop. So let's get started. Go to your command prompt or terminal for Mac and Linux users and change the directory to the root folder of your PHP server. For me, it is htdocs, some/htdocs. Then type this command: Laravel new friend list. Here the friend list is the name of our project. It will create a directory named friend list containing a fresh Laravel installation. Alternatively, you may also install Laravel by issuing the composer create project command in your command prompt window. The command is composer space create hyphen project space hyphen prefer hyphen dist space Laravel /Laravel friend list. Here the friend list is the name of our project. However, we are going to Laravel new command and press enter. Enter the command and wait for some time. Yeah, after you see this message, application is ready. Make sure that your PHP server is running. Then open your browser and enter the URL of your application. For me, it is localhost, which is the local PHP server, then slash friend list. Then open the public folder. If you are able to see a page like this, you have successfully created a Laravel project. We need to create a database and connect our Laravel application with that database, and we need to create a model, a controller and some views to make it a real Laravel application like this. We will do it in our next tutorial. Thank you.